Hello and welcome to DataZar. Today I'm going to show you how to embed large or small videos to your website at connect.datazar.com. So let's go to datazar.com and we're just going to get logged in right here. Okay, we're already logged in. That takes us to dashboard on the main menu. Let's go full screen. And to embed the videos to your website, you're going to click on the website button. This is where all the editing tools are. The editing tools for embedding the videos are exactly the same for pages and posts. We're going to be working with pages today. We're going to embed the videos to a page, but you could do the exact same thing on a post because the editing tools are the same. Let's look at our website. This is one of the websites we've been using for our tutorial videos. And let's look at the tips page right here. This is where we're going to embed the videos. And what we did to make this all go very smoothly is we preloaded our YouTube link because your video needs to be hosted on YouTube in order to add them to your DataZar website. So we're going to go here in just one second. Here's the share link. We're going to show you how to get the share link. And then also to embed the small video, you need to get the code, the HTML code, and we'll show you how to get that too. So let's go ahead and just copy this into our clipboard. Let's tab over. Whoops. Let's go out of full screen. And let's go to YouTube. So we'll paste that in. And this takes us to one of our tutorial videos, how to start building your website. And so once you get on YouTube, you get to the video that you want. There's this share button right here. Click on the share button. And then you can copy the share link right here. You just click copy and you copy the share link. And then also, this is for doing the large video, you use the share link. For doing the small video, up here there's a copy embed. There's an embed code here. So you click on embed and then you just click on copy. And that copies the embed code. That's the longer code that we just showed you earlier. So we've already copied both of those, but that's how you would do that. So let's go ahead and get out of here. And let's go back to full screen. And that's it. So here's the share code that we copied. We're just using this as a placeholder. And then here's the embed code. So let's tab back over to Connect and we'll show you how to do this. So what we want to do is we want to go to Pages. We're going to click on Pages right here. We're on the website button. Now we clicked on Pages. We're going to edit our tips page. Click the Edit button. And then scroll down to the editing screen. This is what we were just reviewing right here. So we added the share link here. We added the embed code here. This is just our URL. We'll get rid of that. Let's go ahead and copy the share link. So Control C, or you can do Control X. It's copied into my clipboard. So we'll just delete this. And then what we want to do is we're just going to place this large video right under tips right here. Here's the page. And then we're going to paste it right under tips. So go to the Insert Edit Media icon. Or Insert Edit Media icon. Click on that. Paste in the share code. And click OK. And there you go. You have added the large video. And we'll just go ahead and bring that up. Next thing we want to do is we want to do the small video. So this is the embed code that we copied. It's HTML. So again, copy that into your clipboard. You can do Control C, or in my case, I'm just going to do Control X. And let's get rid of this. We no longer need that. We'll back that up, and then what we're going to do is we're going to embed it above the bus and below the big video. So we go to the edit code right here. Let me scroll down a little bit. Go to edit code. Click on source code. And then I just happen to know that these 3 lines is the gap between the tips and between the large video and the bus. So I'm just going to put my cursor right here. Enter. Then I'm going to paste in the embed code right here. So I just pasted it in. It's from iframe to iframe. So iframe to iframe, I pasted that in. I'm going to click OK. And we'll scroll down, and there it is. It's added there. However, I want to show you one more thing. We're going to, right here, just kind of like as an added little bonus, because there's a little bit of white space off to the right. And if you don't want that white space, what you can do, and this is a little tricky, but we'll run through it real quick. You can add a 2-column template like we did right here. So you click on 2-column. That adds our 2-column template. All the formatting between the dashes is its own formatting. So be careful when you're doing this. But what we're going to do is we're going to remove the pictures. You can insert an image here. We're just going to delete that. We're going to delete that. We're going to embed the video on the left side. We're going to add some words on the right side. So again, we're going to go to Edit Code, Source Code, and then where we see all these filler words, the lorem ipsum, the lorem ipsum, the top one is where we're going to embed the video right below that. So Enter, Control V. So we pasted the iframe right here, the HTML. We're going to click OK. And there it is right there. So let's go ahead and remove these words. Delete. You're going to go backspace, bring that up just a little bit. And then right here, you can add your own words. So you'll just remove these filler words and just type in something. How to get started building your website is really a terrific video for when you are working on your DataZar website. Okay, so you can just add some words there. This is the tricky part here. This is little dashes. Remember, the formatting's all separate over there in between these. So when you're working with the 2-column, just remove the dashes. I'm going to go delete, delete, and just move that up. And again, we're going to remove, I like to move it over to the left. Then I go delete, 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 maybe backspace, and then there it is. So that's how you add them. And then what you do is you scroll down and you click Update. And now that we've updated the page, let's look at the website. So we'll tab back over. We're on our tips page. We're going to go ahead and refresh this. So let me go ahead and refresh. And there it is. There's the large video, there's the small video, and there's the small video with the 2-column. So you can see how the 2-column would really be useful to take up the white space off to the right. And then there's the rest of the page. And the videos, they all work. So, you know, we click on them, and click on it. They all work. Okay, so let's tab back over. And before we go, that's pretty much it. But before we go, let's go to the help button real quick. And the featured tutorial videos, the video we were just showing you how to start building your website 4th edition is a really good video to watch when you start building your website. And if you go back to the help button and you go to the help center, you can also find the featured tutorial videos here. You can find the featured tutorials under website help. So let's tab back over and go to dashboard. And that's it. That's how to embed large or small videos to your website with DataZar Connect.